Baby, this is just something you guys have to see. Look at this, guys. This is part of the filter. I've already started scrubbing it, but it has so much muck. It's ridiculous. And now I don't even feel like the dishes are clean. Hey Cain crew, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another instant cleaning motivation. Those videos that's going to help you get up and get things done. So let's jump right into it. So as I mentioned, I am cleaning a part of the filter section in my dishwasher. Guys, I didn't even know that this thing could get this dirty. I actually watched one of my good YouTube friends, the cleaning beauty here, where she's doing a Never Have I Ever series on her channel, and I will link her channel down below. But I was watching her series and I was like, maybe I need to clean my dishwasher. And when I tell you, when I pulled it out, I was in for a rude awakening. So I pulled out this part and the other part that goes to it and got to scrubbing. I must admit, guys, that this spin brush has become my go-to. If you haven't noticed, I'm pretty sure you've seen it every video since my cleaning hack video. But guys, it gets into every space and get the job done. I promise you need this. And this is not for teeth. This is for cleaning everything, all right?
Do you think you wouldn't be so reckless? I keep on pretending I know we better end it. From body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Okay, so now I'm going to move on to taking out the rack and really getting a good clean down in the base of the dishwasher, just to clean out any muck that just may have been right there. So I gave that a good scrubbing as well, just because we want to try to just eliminate and get rid of all of it. And if you see the look on my face, it really just speaks to how I really feel about this entire process, although it was satisfying to clean.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different.
So instead of running the dishwasher to clean these dirty dishes, I decided to run the dishwasher on a cycle with the dishwashing cleaner and wash all of these dishes by hand. Of course, I'm using my handy dandy lemon. I'm going to cut this lemon and put it on the racks in the dishwasher. Lemon is known to clean as well, and I believe I've already told you guys about this hack before the hack video. I'll figure out which video it's in and I'll link it here. But cleaning your dishwasher with lemons really does help as well. The acid from the lemon gets everything clean. So I've put some lemon in there, put the filters back in there, and I'm going to run this dishwasher cleaner and let it run on an hour-long cycle.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number.
Comment down below, would you prefer to use the dishwasher or do you like washing by hand? I am a dishwasher girl, guys. I do not like washing dishes by hand. However, I do it if it saves time. So here I am washing it out.
My hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on shine, or show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love, in love, in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love, in love, in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, in love, in love, in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, in love, in love, in love.
Okay guys, we are going to wrap this up. I'm going to get this stove and then I am going to end the video. I hope this brought you guys motivation to just get up, even if the task is small. You don't always have to do something big, but get those dishes out the sink, run that dishwasher, put that load in. You got this. Other than that guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
The way my lips feel on your body,